Hey, John from Joyland Roofing here. Let me give you a brief overview of the services we provide here at Joyland Roofing. Our goal is to be the one-stop shop for you. If you have a roof problem, we can take care of it, whether it's big or small, repair or replacement. So we do roof replacements for homeowners, commercial building owners, property managers, commercial, residential, a full line of roofing services, as well as roof repairs. So leak diagnostics, emergency or overnight or weekend service for roof emergencies. We take care of that as well. In addition to that, we also provide a full siding replacement. We do gutters, soffits, and fascia, so the metal roof, metalwork around the roofs, gutter systems. We do masonry, light masonry work. So think chimney brick repointing, stone repointing, missing bricks here and there. Those kinds of things we can tackle without a problem. We also do windows and doors. So entry doors, patio doors, window replacements, whether it's a full house of windows, one window, window repairs. All those things we can do for you, and we'll be glad to do it. Just give us a call or send us a message. So there you have it, just a simple rundown of our services. If any of these things are something that you need, contact us, and we try really hard to get back in touch with you quickly and come out, properly assess your problem, and take care of the issue for you as quickly and efficiently as possible.